What's up, everyone? We are looking at DeLuna, and I know it says DeLuna, but it is DeLuna, pronounced DeLuna, because it's whatever over Spanish history. I guess that's how you pronounce it. This area over here, you can see a couple gentlemen walking around. We are in the north end of DeLuna, right along the Turnpike. You can see it running there, and you can see Richmond actually in the background. We just did a video on that a couple days ago. These villas over here in this area are running about 275, 300,000. And there's some houses in here still for sale in the DeLuna area. There's a Turnpike there. Now we're headed northwest, or actually west, I guess, northwest, more west. And I'm going to show you, well, you see in the text there, I'm going to show you actually where the Turnpike and 301 cross over. There's a pretty secluded area back here. So this road here that you see shooting through wraps up and around and comes down 301, and I want to show you two houses specifically in that area. But you can see where the Turnpike crosses over 301. That road running left to right is 301, and there's your access to the Turnpikes. That's why I kind of like DeLuna quite a bit, this new area. It's really close to the Turnpike. It's also pretty close to Brownwood if you just come over the Water Lily Bridge with the golf cart, or you can take the car if you want to go by car as well. And that's the most northwest corner there. But as we spin and come down to the south, I want to show you there's two houses in particular that I think are very interesting, because I've not seen anything like this anywhere else in the villages. And these two houses are pretty alone, actually, if I do say. I'm not even sure why they bothered putting two houses here. I mean, I guess they're trying to maximize their property as much as possible. But you can see right in the middle of the screen, there's two homes. And, I mean, you know, it doesn't get much better than that in this area in privacy. And then even this area here is secluded, but you have to take this road in, one way out, right? So there's no entrance or exit to 301 here. You're going to have to drive all the way back in and all the way back out, at least the way they have it now. Now, I did get a little flack for saying this the other day about the Newell area and how it's kind of landlocked, and as of now, I don't like that kind of thing. But if you're into that and you like being away from everything, you don't do a lot of traveling out of the area, which I kind of feel like when you move to the villages, it's an active community, right? So you're going to be leaving, you're going to go play golf, you're going to go to all the clubs that they have, all that kind of stuff. You can see how massive DeLuna is here. It's over 700 homes. This house here is one of the ones currently on the market for $350,000. There's a few in that area that are around that price, $350,000 to $450,000 north of the power lines. I did not go south of the power lines in this one. And you can see they're almost finished over here. There's a few home sites still open that they have not started construction on, but overall most of the houses are up, ready to go, and there's a lot of people moving in. I noticed this time when I was out filming, there was quite a few more people in the area moving in and getting acclimated, going to the rec center. There's been quite a few people at the rec center the last couple times I've gone. Just checking everything out. I did notice a lot of those water pumps are gone now from the neighborhoods, so I'm assuming they got all the water moved around the way they needed it to go and got it out of the area. I did want to say, as you can see, St. Catherine is called the best village. So if you're moving into DeLuna, now's your chance to comment and let Bob know that, you know, St. Catherine's getting a run for its money over here in DeLuna, or DeLuna. I am kind of partial to St. Catherine as well. I do really love that area. I do think DeLuna is bringing something a little different and closer to access. However, the thing that DeLuna is missing is the golf course access isn't as close. You have Southern Oaks over in the St. Catherine area, and then also in St. Catherine they have the Azelle Rec Center, and I don't think you have one that close to this area. I guess there's one in the regular just south of the Water Lily Bridge, so you do have that one. I don't think that's as nice as the Azelle Rec Center. Anyways, I digress. So you can see this is actually looking north. You can see Richmond, where all them blue roofs are in the background, the water tower, and just north of Richmond, kind of by the water tower, is the Brownwood Square area. The square is actually to the left of that water tower, but that's looking north. So just to kind of orient you to the directions we're going and where each village is on its own, south of this is the Hammock at Fenny and the Fenny area down 301. And then if you continue down 301 for now until they build the bypass, you'll go right through Coleman, the city of Coleman, not the prison. You'll go right through Coleman, and then you will go right by Middleton if you turn east on 470 or Central Parkway. There's some folks walking their dogs. It looks like they're walking dogs anyway. So you can see there are people moving into the neighborhoods. It does look a little empty, but it just rained. Believe me, they will be moving these porta potties out of here anytime soon now. They will be gone. And that's when you know they're done with the area, when you no longer see the porta potties on your street. They do tend to hang around for a while though afterwards because they're doing a bunch of specialty work. And this area here, this is along the western side leading up toward the north. You can see a lot of the home sites haven't been started yet, not even some foundations in here, but there is construction. Again, some people driving around, driving through here. There was people at the rec center, and there was actually another drone pilot out here. Probably trying to copy my channel, I don't know, you know? I'm just kidding. I don't really mind if there's other drone channels out there, and if you want to do a collaboration, hit me up, of course. So these villas over here, you're looking around approximately 350,000. That's what they have them mapped out at on the website. That is their roundabout. Here you see this is that little mail area, rec center with the pool, somebody enjoying themselves while somebody sits on the sidelines and watches them do twirly twirls in the middle. Just a beautiful area. And remember, this is right after the rain, cloud covered, not even sunny out. So imagine what it will look like when the sun is out and shining. I hope you all have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the video. Give us a thumbs up and a like. I guess a like is a thumbs up, but subscribe anyway. And yeah. Don't forget to let Bob know, by the way, what village you think's the best in the comments. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.